All right, so there were a bunch of stuff up here on the ceiling here, and we've taken it all out. We've left our one thing that gives us some structural integrity until we put up the new rafters. We needed that one there, but everything else is out. We used our new favorite tool here, the laser level. We got this temporarily up here. That is the coolest device. You have to be a geek to like that, but I like it. And so now we're going to put up some hangers all the way across here, and then we'll have hangers all the way across on the other side later. And then we're going to have all our new rafters up there, which the ceiling will go through. So we're by the way, this whole build, mostly what we're doing is we're working on isolation, because this installation being primarily YouTube, the biggest thing he needs is isolation from the outdoor sounds, where reflection isn't as big of a deal. So 90% of our emphasis is making sure we have a fairly tight seal on all this stuff. There we go. Look at this. So we have our roof that's coming in. These are the rafters. And what we did was we spent a whole day getting them all lined up here so that they go across and they're nice. You can't see it. It's hard to see that we have a piece of string that's up there. We used a laser level over here to get these headers to go across there and to get the roof rafters that are there. And we're going to fill that whole thing in here over the next few days. But we have all our hangers up 100% across the room, which that just took forever to engineer it right. Each one, sometimes there's a compromise because of the wood behind it. We had to put blocks in at different places to make sure it all came together. So, kind of like a lot of things in life, by doing the prep work up front, when we got everything up there, then putting in these headers just came together really nice. We did very little work to put them in once all the stuff was put in. This window is going to get changed out to a highly winterized window that has a lot of, to minimize the sound leaking in here. And then we have a door over here that is going to get replaced with a winterized door that's nicely sealed when this is all done. So you'll see this evolve. We still have plenty left to do in terms of finishing the ceiling. We have all our hangers up room wide. So now things are going together pretty quick, but we have more to do. This window is going to be gone. We're going to take that out. All right, some great progress here. Now, here's what the studio's looking like. We have all the rafters in, 100%. Let me turn this camera around, which you can see now. Okay, so there's a piece of string that runs across the top here that you can see. I'll see if I can zoom in on that. Yeah, you can see that string there. And if you look at it when you're up on a ladder, and you look across, there's one on this side. We're not off more than a 32nd of an inch all the way across there. So now all the ceiling rafters are in. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to take inventory and get all our electrical set up on all the walls and the ceiling, because there's going to be lights in the ceiling, switches that have to come down, all that stuff's being inventoried. We know basically what we want, but now we're going to get a materials list and finalize that. So the next video you see, we'll be putting in electrical. And once the electrical's in, then we're going to knock out this window and close it up. And then after that, we'll start putting on drywall. This is going to be a double 5/8 inch drywall on the ceiling, insulation above it. In the walls, there'll be the same thing, double layer of drywall all the way around, plus insulation. So going to be pretty slick, making great progress. So it's all done on there. All right, and 100% happy with that. We'll see you on the next one. You'll start seeing electrical and insulation going in next. Talk to you later. Bye.